Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy cream garlic sauce right in your own kitchen. This method is incredibly simple, perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a special occasion. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients that you likely already have on hand. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create a rich, flavorful sauce that tastes like it came from a fancy restaurant. Let's get cooking. Now let's begin the cooking process. First, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted and shimmering, add 4 cloves of freshly minced garlic to the pan. Sauté the garlic gently for about 1 minute, stirring constantly until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. It's crucial not to let the garlic brown, as burnt garlic can impart a bitter taste to your sauce. We want that sweet, aromatic garlic flavor to shine through. Next, it's time to build the creamy base of our sauce. Carefully pour 1 cup of rich, heavy cream into the saucepan with the fragrant garlic. Bring the cream to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking. Once simmering, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese until it is completely melted and incorporated, making the sauce wonderfully smooth. To finish our amazing cream garlic sauce, continue to let it simmer gently for another 2 to 3 minutes. During this time, the sauce will naturally thicken to a perfect consistency. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings, adding more salt or pepper if you like. This ensures it's just right for your palate. Serve your warm, luscious cream garlic sauce immediately over your favorite pasta, chicken, or steamed vegetables. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.